Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the world of high-performance blending with the Vitamix Explorian Blender, a professional-grade powerhouse featuring a 64-ounce low-profile container in a striking red finish. This blender is designed to create every texture imaginable, thanks to its 10 variable speeds that allow you to refine everything from the smoothest purées to the heartiest soups with culinary precision. The pulse feature is perfect for layering coarse chops over smooth purées, making it ideal for crafting chunky pasta sauces or thick vegetable soups. At the heart of this machine is a robust 2.2 HP motor that effortlessly propels the blades through tough ingredients, ensuring the highest quality blends every time. Cleaning is a breeze with just a drop of dish soap and warm water, allowing your Vitamix to clean itself in just 30 to 60 seconds without any disassembly required. Each renewed premium unit undergoes a meticulous 17-point inspection process to meet high-quality standards, ensuring you receive a product that performs like new. In the box, you'll find everything you need to get started, including the motor base, a 64-ounce low-profile container, and a tamper, making it the perfect addition to any kitchen. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.